Say me na makukum Ahmed Suale. That's the report. Now and you have the report. You know. Now near ya woman say, I don't trust the police.
You don't trust the police in this country?
Read my lips.
You don't trust the police?
I don't trust the police.
In Ghana?
Yes. Read my lips. Read my lips.
In
one of the videos,
do you trust?
No, I'm passing out in the police service. No, your WhatsApp platform, chat also. When the information, intelligence came out to say, no more kasa, and no more crumble blame me back because I didn't know kuno, so who many and I'm a kuno. When we within the police service, or who say, and your boys too no kasano, they will be they can expose whoever no. Within 2 weeks, police for sting operation were baby. I almost say, sa 2 boys here kumomo, and they were the eyewitnesses. How did they die? Sa 2 police officers now almost started so almost kasa then how kumwe. The information was said that they not say there are some people who were behind South Bullion van attack no, and the people are powerful. 2 weeks, almost cooperation, almost go here. 2 eyewitnesses, police officers, eyewitness, they all died. How? It's suspicious. Now they are not Ahmed Suale case in one. And I make us say, you no buy ya Ahmed Suale, ya suspect. Nature say you no buy. It is very likely say JB Dankwa Boachi do MP na yokuno no. Ye be who suspect be ache no.
Abusia Ahmed Suale ayekunu so many years ago. Afei na abeto emonse so say nipa wo susu say wokunu police for ensa aka emu baako no na akwakọ raise concerns ene enkomo bebre ewo ewe hu a mede esankomo ni nyina eba besomo mekai no maso say aha eye too much to do just as about page na afei we mi abia so no upload bia to mu a onsa ebetimi aka abusia say yekoye enkomo no so a January 16 2019 ena Ahmed Suale a oyen centroni yesusu se nipa wonufo bi ekobo ni to ekun no ya besi ene ya yensa timi enso nipa potia okun Ahmed Suale no na enokwa nam so ama dodo na kasa kire se Ahmed Suale ro no ache dodo a besi ne yenya obi se yeso ni mo ache se nipa we ena ekun ne woni beto monten so no bebre na ena na koso ma ye de yensa kra etnete honorable Ken Akomprekun Agyapong
so we should find out. I'm not privy to any information, Sani. But I'm sorry. What I don't like about the police, and he said, someone notice here, make so what you monhe. O abentina, Ghana ni ekum police niya within 3 days in Achedo. Ghana ni ekum Ghana ni onye police na security agent there, yencheda. Why? Why? That is why I'm saying that when I go, my committee will invite the minister. And I have typical example of Ahmed Suale. When I condemn Anas, Omwa Kazakwe Omudi, Onipana Okunu no Ashanti region. Police for na kasa na brief me. So honorable, what the way is exonerated now. Minimum why this thing happened to stay away a day. But me say, how do I stay away when Anas Kromfo within Nisa mention my name up to extent a congressman report to me. Yes. Emma me drew Houston in 2019 November. Almost stop me. Say me na makukum Ahmed Suale. That's the report. Now and you have the report. You know. Now near ya woman say. I don't trust the police.
You don't trust the police in this country?
Read my lips.
You don't trust the police?
I don't trust the police.
In Ghana?
Yes. Read my lips. Read my lips.
Do you trust?
After second the Edison movie ebetu ya no anso ho a ye bra penny A+ enso ba bonte be ka say Ahmed Suale wo no a nipa na woku Ahmed Suale no ono A+ no enim nipa kra sa police fo no etu anamo eba ne nchen ana say omo pa omo meche ono A+ no odi mu nchiremu ene nipa onim se ono ene ku Ahmed Suale no eba betu monten so A+ ya che no aka say enye ono nkwa na police fo na kasa kra no wo mu nipa kra okun Ahmed eno ebeto odwa no a police for tonsa e defer A+ emo no so ekwo wo makache.
Ahmed Suale's issue has been public for a very long time. I don't think this is the first time it's going public. I don't think that the people who are involved know that they are who I'm referring to. it will come as a surprise to who are involved. If they have an issue with the matter that I'm going to that I've given to the police, they can sue me for defamation. This is a democracy. I understand the law too well. God said, love your neighbor as yourself, not more than yourself. So I'm seeking my interest. So I had to come and tell police the conditions under which I'm coming back to give them another information, especially when I've given them information before, and then the suspects or the suspects got wind of the whole information, and to the extent that the suspects called me and said, we hear you have given such information on us. It's about some information that I want to give the police to assist them in investigating the unfortunate passing of or murder of our brother Ahmed Suale, and that is why I was invited here. I think once you have some information that will assist the police, they have to listen to whatever you have. But they're looking for leads, so of course I came here to give them what information I have.
But you were very categorical when you made that statement in the live video. Did you give them the actual person who committed this heinous crime that we'll be investigating for years?
I think that this matter is a very sensitive one. Everything that the police need to know is what the police will have to know. If I wanted to give information to the public, I would have just.
Busia Franco Yemfamra in some way in some way and Nam Ahmed Suale Iwono. IGP Dampare police sign us, Berna wono and a police force sign a was so na a bottom ones so na ye share Sanka IGP no ebeye hu bibi besine ya wanya hu hwe kosi say John Dramani Mahama eba ya wababe IGP e de fi hode tetanyo hono ono na say oye IGP e de Ghana police service obetna ne so say IGP e de si na konwa so na de che pepepe e na beto monte so say Ahmed Suale wo no yakwa kwachi mu nipa ba kwa yeso so say ono e na oye suspect e na sister film lady oye na adwuma e wo OKFM e ba monte so na wo kire say dida de den yesesan IGP CCA e ma tetanyo hono ba ye yakwa kwachi Ahmed Suale ni suspect ba ko na information e wo hodeda ana afei e na aba na IGP Dampare na wote so ye den ebusia enye no nkwa ensem bebre ka we hu e na ye sister film lady so e de toja
no mo pass out in the police service no omo ya WhatsApp platform omo chat wo so when the information intelligence came out to say no mo kasa e na omo kro mo blame ba ko sa de na uku no so ohumanim e na meku no when we within the police service omo hu say any boys too no kasa no they can expose whoever no within 2 weeks police for stint operation were baby almost say sa 2 boys yakumomo and they were the eyewitnesses. How did they die? Sa 2 police officers now almost started so almost kasa sa de na ukumwe the information was said at the end of say there are some people who were behind sa bullion van attack no and the people are powerful. 2 weeks omo cooperation omo ko we 2 eyewitnesses, police officers eyewitness, they all died. How? It's suspicious. Now they are not koka Ahmed Suale case in one. And I make us say yo unu ba ya Ahmed Suale ya suspect. Nature say yo unu abe. It is very likely say JB Dankwa Boachi edu MP na yeku no ye be hu suspect bi ache no. Enya it's akwana sexy dondo. That is why case no call court no. Court found him not guilty. Jury no found him not guilty. Mama Sankoya appeal BM said they want to retrial of the case. Nema koso internally within the police service, even within the security agency, nema koso. Nyeni nyina na wo abonti a obehu. It is a one to obona asemba na ye nyina ye kan say the epebi ebi mo person mo dey politics. It's beyond politics. Police intelligence is beyond politics. But here Dampare Nankasa was misled by people. Onuankasa was misled by people. Mami kan President Mahama security letter no there, but shake up no everywhere. Within the Ghana Armed Forces, we shaking up near my womb. It's in your Dampare no changing no. Obia beko. That has been the trend. Because who are buying for front and they will buy, your loyalty is to that abine. Into no matter how much you try, so buying for fraud obey change you. Because I say increment, a police for an police headquarters at the top of the police, omunyinaka and omutu increment. Edi free akonyano so. A champion, there were people who instigated and removed him. Every family, they were in the armed forces. But every family, Kotokana, no mutu nkroma free so. Yes. A champom a champom there were 2 coup d'etats. SMC1, SMC2 nina a within. Enti Ghana ye no be trusting a young co. What the free one Nabra Rollins. Rollins Mutam, he was within the police, the armed forces. He knew. Nipa also mu use omo. Onim se na major courage kwashigam any papaya na no wewu Boachija. Omo nyina they were in the armed forces. They did the coup. They were within the armed forces and did the coup. Enti Africa politics obi antena ho ma wo nipa obi afa no. Enye saje sawada. Na wada so out one man ye two. Ye be two ti se banche. And I know police officers are omo within the idea where I told them omo predict you. Me sources say what police service no. Here Adam Paris started and they predicted said Adam Paris will fall. Omo say that in fact one of them told me said that Adam Paris be kono. Prior na for the be pranitiko. What is happening? It is a wotia bontena wontenia manati. Look at the armed forces. This is the letter signed by also new appointment of new service chiefs for Ghana Armed Forces. So say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, President of the Republic and Commander-in-Chief. The president has more intelligence than you and I. Also, yes, a president of Ghana Keke. He's also the Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. Into all the security briefings that would need obi any president to the war. Also,
Entabusia ewuo ya Ahmed Suale ewu ye suspect ya che no ene enkomo a ekoso edefa wo no hu ni nyina ena ya maboabo no amede eba beso mo se ne ensem tie nyina mesrew se obeja wo comment e wo video yi ase ye ni nkoso a edi ensem ne chi sensem hufo bi pie edi fiwe mu ba ye de beba na ya sign edi aba beso mo too much gh ena we nugo so a wo hwe mesrew no mi subscribe button no so now the bell no aka ho sa no upload bi atomo a onsa ebetimi all the social media handles so kwa too much gh ya also kai say obe subscribe no like no share ama afofo nso enye bi ahwe na crown.